In this video, I'm going to show you how to share notes with somebody on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your notes. Here I got some. And now all I need to do, I need to hold on the note that I want to share, and in the menu that comes up, hit share note. Now there I need to choose the way to share this note. I can use messages, mail, Instagram, Telegram, and a bunch of other different ways. And also there are share options, and make sure that by default permission for edit that node is turned on, so anyone can make changes in that in the node that you shared. So if you want to just view only, select view only from that permission, and also you can allow for other people to add any other people that they want, so any people will be able to share this node with the other people. So you can disable that option or hit just view only just to share this node. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.